What if I told you that right now, hurtling through our solar system at over 130,000 miles per hour, there's a visitor that predates our entire world by 2 billion years? For millennia, we have looked up, wondering what else is out there. Now, for the first time in history, we're not just looking, we're getting visitors, messengers. On July 1st, 2025, humanity confirmed its third encounter with a traveler from another star system, an object called 3I Atlas. The first glimpse of this otherworldly guest came from the Atlas telescope in Chile. It appeared as a faint point of light, but its speed and trajectory immediately set off alarms. This wasn't a normal asteroid. It was on a path that could only be explained by one thing. It wasn't from here. Within hours, observatories across the globe turned their eyes skyward. They weren't just searching the live sky, they were looking back in time. By poring over archival data from other telescopes, they found pre-discovery sightings dating back to June 14, 2025. This rapid, coordinated response allowed for a precise calculation of its orbit. The answer was definitive. The math confirmed it. An object on a hyperbolic trajectory. A path so fast and so extreme it could never be trapped by our sun's gravity. Its speed was a staggering 130,000 miles per hour. That's far beyond our sun's escape velocity, a clear, undeniable signature of its interstellar journey. This speed, this path, cemented its status. Atlas was officially the third interstellar visitor, following Oumuamua and Borisov. But here's where it gets mind-bending. This object, now designated Atlas, isn't just from another star system. It's from another era of our galaxy entirely. Astronomers traced its path backward through space and time, across billions of years. And what they found will give you chills. Atlas originated from the thick disk of our galaxy, a region where stars are ancient beyond imagination. This comet is at least 7 billion years old. To put that in perspective, when this chunk of ice and rock first formed around a distant star, our sun didn't exist. Earth was just scattered dust floating in the cosmic void. To truly understand the hype surrounding Atlas, we have to go back to 2017. The first visitor, Oumuamua, was a box of mysteries. Its shape was bizarre, like a cosmic pancake or cigar. It showed no signs of being a comet, with no coma or tail, yet its path was being affected by a mysterious, non-gravitational push. The scientific community was split. Some proposed exotic explanations, hydrogen icebergs, fractal dust clouds. Others, including Harvard's Avi Loeb, suggested something that made headlines worldwide. What if it was artificial? A solar sail from an alien civilization? The alien probe theory captured imaginations globally, but it also highlighted a crucial gap in our knowledge. We simply didn't have enough data points. We needed more visitors. Then came Borisov in 2019, the textbook interstellar comet. Unlike its mysterious predecessor, Borisov behaved exactly as expected. Active outgassing, visible coma, beautiful tail streaming behind it like a cosmic banner. Borisov gave us our baseline, proof that not all interstellar visitors are enigmas wrapped in mysteries. And now, Atlas completes the trilogy. It's active, it's behaving like a proper comet, and that mysterious, non-gravitational acceleration that made Oumuamua so puzzling? Here, it's completely normal. Just the natural rocket effect of vaporizing ice. But the real breakthrough came when humanity's most powerful space telescope turned its golden eye toward our ancient visitor. The James Webb Space Telescope analyzed the chemical composition of Atlas through spectroscopic analysis and studied the very molecules being released as the comet's ancient ices vaporize in our sun's warmth. What it found was extraordinary. A coma largely composed of carbon dioxide with an unusual chemical fingerprint from the deep past. This isn't just data, it's a direct sample from the earliest ages of our galaxy. By comparing this ancient chemistry to our own solar system's comets, we're literally reading the history of planet formation from a completely different era of our galactic evolution. Here's what's truly revolutionary. Atlas isn't just a visitor, it's the beginning of an entirely new field of science. Interstellar astronomy is no longer science fiction. With advanced telescopes like the Vera C. Rubin Observatory coming online, we expect to discover 1 to 3 of these ancient messengers every single year. Think about that for a moment. We're transitioning from a civilization that wondered if we were alone to one that regularly receives physical samples from other star systems. Each visitor tells a story. Oumuamua posed the questions, Borisov provided the framework, and Atlas? It's giving us our first real answers about the primordial history of our galaxy. Now, before anyone starts panicking about cosmic impacts, let me put your mind at ease. Atlas will make its closest approach to the Sun in late October 2025, passing safely inside Mars's orbit, but remaining a comfortable 270 million kilometers from Earth. We're perfectly safe observers to this cosmic time capsule, as it makes its once-in-a-galactic rotation visit to our neighborhood. And this is just the beginning. The next interstellar messenger is already on its way, carrying its own ancient secrets across the cosmic void. Advanced telescopes are scanning the skies, ready to spot these visitors earlier and study them longer. The universe kept its secrets for billions of years, but now it's starting to talk. And we're finally ready to listen. What ancient message will the next visitor bring? What stories from the deep galaxy are still hurtling toward us through the cosmic dark? If you found this journey through deep time as mind-blowing as I did, make sure to subscribe for more cosmic discoveries that are reshaping our understanding of the universe.